Hello guys, I have a small problem with my computer. When I press the power button on the computer doesn't respond. And it don't matter if I press the power on button on the motherboard. The next thing I'll do, I'll try to pull out the 24 pin and see if something happens. When I short circuit the pin, the green wire with the ground. Good. The next thing I'll do, I'll turn on right now with the 2 pins shorted. And I don't know if you can hear that on the video, the power supply starts up. And now I've still shorted out the two connectors here with a little loop. And I have plugged out the graphic cards and the hard drives and so on. The only thing that's connected now is the 24 pin and the 8 pin Molex HX plug. And I'll simply just press the power button on the power supply, and you can hear the fans start up on the computer, and I press the power button and here it goes. And now I'll plug out the loop, and I'll put in just check the power is off, and I'll plug in the graphic card, and the hard drives are connected now. And I'll just power it on the backside, and I'll press the power button, and it fires up again. And then it runs for like a week or two. When then I have to do this all over again.